So very good morning. Today the chapter which we will talk about is the understanding diversity, right? See, we all are different. At your home also, you are different from your brothers, sisters, siblings, or your parents, right? No two people are alike. ये हम लोग भी मानते हैं, ये आपको भी पता है कि कोई भी दो लोग जो है वो एक जैसे नहीं होते. हर किसी की लाइकिंग अलग है, हर किसी की डिसलाइकिंग अलग है. Now we will have one activity. A space is given in your book, that is on page number 3. Yeah, page number 3 of your civics book. वहाँ पर एक space दी हुई है. Now what you have to do? I'll be giving you 3 minutes, right? You have to draw a human figure there. You all have to draw a human figure there where the space has been given in your book on page number 3 of civics. राइट आपको एक स्पेस दी हुई है, वहां पर आपने एक ह्यूमन फिगर बनाना है. कैसा भी बनाना है, कलरिंग नहीं करनी है, आपने सिर्फ पेंसिल लेनी है. यू विल बी जस्ट टेकिंग द पेंसिल एंड यू आर ड्राइंग अ ह्यूमन फिगर. बी इट अ बॉय, बी इट अ गर्ल, व्हाटएवर कम्स इन योर माइंड immediately, right? You have to make it. I'm going to give you the few minutes. Fine. So you all have drawn that human figure, right? And very beautifully you people have drawn. And what I can see that all of you have drawn it, right? But everyone's drawing is different. You all have drawn that human figure, but everyone has drawn that human figure differently. किसी भी दो स्टूडेंट्स का जो ये ह्यूमन फिगर बनाया है सेम नहीं है, सभी का अलग अलग है. So what the purpose of having this activity was that every person is different. हर person की likings अलग हैं, dislikings अलग हैं. उसको कुछ और पसंद है, आपको कुछ और पसंद है. As I said कि आप अपने घर में भी देखोगे तो अगर आपके siblings हैं तो you are having some different taste. Your brother or sister must be having a different taste. You people look different. Only the similarity is that you are belonging to the same parent and you are living at the same place in the same house. But yes, many differences are there. तो ऐसे ही हमारे कंट्री में हर एक पर्सन डिफरेंट है, हर एक स्टेट डिफरेंट है. So much of diversity is there in our country. In your previous classes also you must have heard about this phrase unity in diversity. और आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है unity in diversity. अनेकता में एकता है. ये क्या है? अनेकता क्या है? डाइवर्सिटी क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस डाइवर्सिटी? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस चैप्टर की डाइवर्सिटी जो है वो होता क्या है. राइट चलो, बिफोर वी प्रोसीड आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल both the Mannats of class, Mannat of 6th pink, Mannat of 6th green also. Please keep yourself available here and keep your videos on so that we can proceed with the activity. So we are having two students with us, Mannat and Kirtika, right? First of all, Mannat, you will tell me what are your likings. आपको क्या क्या पसंद है? Okay, let it be in food. What do you like in food? हाँ जी मन्नत, आपको खाने में क्या पसंद है?
I like rajma chawal in food.
राजमा चावल. कृतिका?
मैम हेल्दी फूड्स में कैबेज नहीं पसंद और जंक फूड ज्यादा पसंद है.
Okay, fine. So Kritika likes the junk food and Mannat likes the rajma chawal. Okay, Mannat, what's there in sports?
Football in sports.
Football. And Kirtika?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I can't hear you. But
which sport do you like? Which game do you like to play? You're not audible, bete?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I like basketball.
Basketball. Okay. So Mannat like football and Kirtika like basketball. Right? Okay, which type of books you people like to read? Mannat?
Ma'am, in language,
In any of the language, no problem.
in Hindi.
Okay, in Hindi. Hindi language books you like. Okay, Kirtika?
Ma'am, I like to read English language books in like fairy books and
Okay.
like adventure books.
Okay, fine. So we had just seen that both the girls, their likings are totally different, but both are standing in the same class. राइट एक ही क्लास में है और इतनी ज्यादा इनमें डिफरेंसेस हैं कॉमन चीज क्या होगी दैट द लैंग्वेज स्पोकन एट होम आई थिंक द लैंग्वेज स्पोकन एट होम इज पंजाबी इन बोथ द हाउसेस राइट हाँ तो
In my house, it's Hindi.
ओके हिंदी एंड मन्नत
Punjabi.
पंजाबी ओके चलो एक और डिफरेंस आ गया हम लोग को सिमिलैरिटी ढूंढनी है व्हाट सिमिलैरिटी इज देयर okay both of you must be following the common religion right common religion say Hinduism
Auntie,
right fine so at least one similarity is there that you people are having this the common religion that is being followed by you people right तो हमारे आसपास जितने भी लोग हैं ना like we have the common many things which are similar to them and in many of the things we differ with them and this diversity you will find in your daily life too आपकी जो डेली लाइफ है उसमें भी आप लोग ये डाइवर्सिटी ये जो डिफरेंसेस हैं ये आप देख सकते हैं आप ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं in your vacations you people go to some other places right कई बार हिमाचल चले जाते हैं कभी यार राजस्थान चले गए कभी महाराष्ट्र चले गए कभी I mean you people move in the at the when you people get the vacations right so you must have observed at that time also कि when you go out of your state you will see many of the things where you are different from them right so you will find their dressing sense different from you the food they eat that is different from you and if you have gone there in the festive season so the way they celebrate the festivals that would also be very different from you people right तो हमारी डेली लाइफ में भी हम लोग हर जगह ऐसी डाइवर्सिटीज जो हैं अलग अलग जो चीजें हैं कि जहां पर लोग हमसे अलग हैं वो हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं हम घरों में भी ऑब्जर्व करते हैं right so sometimes what happens कि ये diversities जो है ये it's good to have why because we come to know about people we come to know about the different things about the people right और हमारी कंट्री जो है that is fortunate enough कि इतनी ज्यादा diversities इतने तरह के अलग अलग लोग होने के बाद भी we are there a single unit in a country right 28 states every state is different from the other one हर स्टेट की अपनी लैंग्वेज है हर स्टेट का अपना फेस्टिवल है हर स्टेट की अपनी यू कैन से लैंग्वेज देयर क्लोथिंग देयर फूड सब कुछ डिफरेंट है and you will see that such type of diversity is found in our country only we are fortunate to have such type of diversity and still we are a single unit right so मैं आप लोगों को एक और एक्टिविटी दूंगी which you will be performing at home I mean you will be observing at home उसके बाद हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि you will ask your siblings brothers sisters हैं कि how they are different to you people how they are similar with you people आप दोनों siblings जो हैं वो एक दूसरे से अलग कैसे हैं what things I mean are different in you people and where you people are similar to each other right so that you are going to do and then we will be discussing it in the next class and then we will come to the conclusion what the exact meaning of diversity is